Today we're going to look at something special. This is an 89 911 RWB. Now this car has been backdated. This is an interesting car for a lot of reasons. One, this is a body kit. This car started with a 1989 964 and then this RWB body kit was installed on it. So this is an interesting kit car, if you will. It's an Outlaw Porsche, and when you buy this $24,000 kit, you get on a 2-year waiting list for the guy who puts the kit on to come and to your house and put your kit on. And there's so many great details with this. The color scheme is fantastic. I love the blue and gold colors. We have the hood clips because you're always going to go real fast. The gold screen, Pandora 1, the great color. The things that I like the most about this is this wing mirror. That's just old school, super cool. I really love it. Now, if we go over here, it has the rotiform wheels. And if you look at the wheels and the body, this is a lot of wheel and tire here. Okay, if we get into the vents here for the brakes to keep it cool, because of course you're moving fast. Now, underneath this car is a 964 Porsche. It is a turbo. Someone hung a turbo on it and it cracked the pistons and get all kinds of problems with the engine, so that's why it's here. Now what they're doing is they're going to put a cup car shaft on it. They've got special machine heads for the thing. It's going to be a really, really special car when it's all done, but super, super rare to see, cool to see here, and it doesn't matter how great a Porsche you have, at some point it's going to end up in the shop, and you should bring it to a place like Innovative here in Carrollton, because obviously they can handle the cool stuff. We wanted to make sure we showcase this today. Please subscribe for more like this. We're going to continue to try to bring you really special cars like this to check out and things that you just don't see anywhere else. Thanks for watching.